Howdy folks, and welcome back. It's me, your host, Doc MB. Now, if you're listening to this episode, then you probably noticed a few things. Hopefully, one of the biggest things you noticed is that our show has a new cover and a new name. My goal with this show has always been for it to be a balance between fun and education. After the first handful of episodes last year, I didn't really think the name and cover art were really living up to that expectation, so I decided to do a rebrand. And aside from changing our name to Healthy Humor, which I hope everyone enjoys, and redesigning the cover to include an actual photo of myself and not just some AI-generated photo, we have our own website now and a YouTube channel, which was super fun to make. The Instagram handle changed too, but the account is still there. It's just a new name. I'm going to leave the website and all the handles for the different social media accounts and everything that's new and old and all of that in the caption for this video. Well, this recording. I hope that you go give them a look and hopefully a follow. If you find yourself thinking, oh wow, these new photos of Doc MB are great and really show me her personality, which I hope you agree with when you are perusing the website, then you should definitely look into my friends at Narrative Structure here in Tulsa. From preserving family memories to business branding, they've got you covered. Need drone coverage? Narrative Structure will take care of you. They've even been known to hang out of planes to get the best shot. You probably also noticed that I basically fell off the face of the earth after October. I planned to take a break after November to handle this rebrand and gear up for the new year, but life had other plans, and so here we are, a few months later. Thank you to the friends and family who pushed me to continue working on this podcast. The final surprise with this rebrand is that we will now be releasing new episodes every Tuesday. So, they'll be announced on every platform, but after this episode, they will be coming out regularly on Tuesdays. As always, I would love to hear from any listeners. If you want to ask a question or submit a topic that you would like me to cover, feel free to message me on one of our social media accounts or email me at docmb@healthy-humor.com. Again, I will be putting most of this information in the caption for this episode, and I hope you all keep on listening. And until next time, have a healthy day.